What are you guys doing on couches? You don't sit on couches at a show. I'm just kidding. I love you guys. Come on over here, though. Come on. Come on.
Joe, get closer.
I want to make out with you right now, how close you are. Oh my gosh. Alright. Come on, hey, what are you guys doing back there? What are you guys doing back there? No one is too old to come jam out with Mike Slaughter, so get over here. Come on. What are you doing? I know. Come on.
I don't love you that much.
Come on. Come on. Hey, lady texting? Lady right there texting? Kitty with the camera? What are you doing?
Hey, where's Freddie?
Dude, where's everyone at? Like, Freddie's missing.
No one loves you that
Unfavorite
much.
black guy is missing. What's up with that?
Black guy's wrong.
The only one, I'm sorry. Where is he at? Sound check. You guys gonna do sound check? What's up?
Everyone has
Sound check!
I'm loud, dude. Oh, on this? I'm not loud with this.
I'm like deaf in one ear.
Ask if we can cut those lights.
Check. Wow, we just got like a concentration of people right here. What? Hey, can we cut some lights or something? Can we cut some lights? Because we don't like to get into it unless there's no lights. Let's cut some lights up in her. Up in her. Alright, no, we don't have to. No, we don't have the lights cut. We turn. Hey, are we able to turn those lights off over there, buddy? My friend? Oh, there's switches on them, yes. Yes, miss. Yes to the second power. Awesome. Hey, what's that guy doing out there on the phone? What's up with that? Get off the phone! What are you guys sitting down for?
What are you doing?
Dude, sit up, okay? This ain't a Death Cab show. Alright. Dude, this guy is my best friend, dude. Cheers. Should I put this on a very expensive amp? No, I'm just kidding. Woo! This is the bulkiest. Hey, let's get some.